Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Everything Festive, and this is a simple little card we're making today. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Everything Festive, and we're going to be using Merry and Bright. I have a piece of cherry cobbler, and I have my golden glitz ink pad. And I have this mounted on clear block D. I'm just going to take it. The cherry cobbler is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So just like that. I'm going to come in with my 2 1/4 circle punch. And it is going to cut a little bit off, but that's okay. All right. Let's see, I have my little Christmas light here, and I have the Noble Peacock foil sheets, and I'm going to take my blue, and I'm just going to get the actual bulb, and I'm going to do that twice, and then I have the like yellow green, and I'm going to do that once. And then I have my gold here, and let's see if I can I'm just going to trim this, and let's see, I'm going to cut this 4 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, put that aside. And now we can put this card together. I have the Wrapped in Plaid, or no, this is Night Before Christmas. Sorry about that. And I have some SNAIL adhesive. My Night Before Christmas Designer Series paper is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And we're just going to make a little mat here, just like that. And then we'll go ahead and put some more SNAIL on the other side. And then my card base is Night of Navy, and it is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And it's 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and it's scored at 5 1/4. Sorry about that. So we'll put our little lights together with some glue dots. So just like that. And it's easier for me to get the top of the bulb here and then the little light bulb. All right, and then for our 4th one, I'm going to get some more, and we're going to put it right up here to where it looks like a ornament. So I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And then I think I'm just going to come back. You know, I think, yeah, I'm going to get my mini Stampin' Dimensionals. And just want them here in the excuse me, in the corner. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!